Hi guys, my name is Dan.
My name is Aiden.
And welcome to the first ever video from the Foot Bros. This is an RTG where we're going to be using lots of underrated players.
Who are you?
Who are very young. Okay, Aiden wants to buy someone he thinks very good, so we're going to let him. Haliovic. By the way, we have only got 1,000 coins.
Sure, because you got 37 physical.
It doesn't matter. You decide.
No, we'll wait.
Okay, we're gonna wait, even though he's a youngster.
Yeah, just talk.
So let's just show them the rubbish starting team. We had to start, we couldn't start all over again, so this is the team.
Montreal, AU. Shit, man.
Yeah. That's all I had,
Could
okay.
do that, but you'd be on one chemistry, so that's never gonna work.
Okay. Let's go and try and buy a young player.
But who, you ask?
I suggest a BPL player.
Young BPL player.
Yeah.
Who's under 1,000 coins.
Yep.
I believe we have one in our club.
Huh?
Yes, I believe we do.
Who?
Danny Welbeck.
Yes, but we'll have to buy them.
How much?
Sorry guys, he doesn't even know the rules of the series. Now get him off that
He's
pitch.
too old anyways.
They have to be under 25.
Under 25. Just look then.
Unless they're in the starting team. What are you doing?
Because you might think there's someone as you're going through. No, he's old. Can't think of anyone.
By the way guys, I don't think we're going to be playing any games in this episode. It's just showing you the brand new series. Get a striker.
But there aren't any young strikers. Oh, 1,000 points. Oh, well, actually.
How old?
25.
Yeah, but we'll have to buy the player.
Let's put in gold.
Yeah, we'll want a gold one.
How old she now? Oh, she's 29.
How old are they old?
Jude. Pretty old. 26.
Idea? Cooley or Idea?
Cooley's 30. Idea like 26.
I should just told you that age.
I'm thinking maybe we shouldn't have to buy young players, but okay. That's Charlie Austin.
He doesn't even know the rules of the series.
Guys, this could take a while because there's no young VPL. And how old is Jovetic?
This is killing my arm. So their birthday has to be 1990.
I don't think there was any. Chances are some of these players will be young, like 1990s. He's 1990.
Okay, we can use
He
Riviere.
doesn't look very good.
He's okay.
Good Perez, maybe?
Wait. Yeah, Jose Perez, we know how good he can be.
No, he's not good.
It doesn't matter.
No, because he's not good as rubbish.
Sorry if the camera angle's rubbish when we're going off a phone.
Nope. This could take another 10 years.
I say just get Riviere.
I say no because he's rubbish. I say, God, this is the last page. Oh, he's too old.
Berahino, okay? Yeah.
I say Berahino, but he's got no fitness.
Does it matter?
Kind of. because we don't have any fitness cards.
We'll see if we can get them cheaper.
Can't. It's a cheap gamble.
We'll just see if there's any.
And
Just type in West Brom
no,
English strikers.
can't get them cheaper though. I just looked. And I've got used players in my club.
No. This guy's so stupid. Just get a silver at least. We're not using bronzes.
And who?
Just get Riviere. He's good. Okay, first signing. Okay guys, that's the end of this episode. We will play a couple of games in the next episode. I want to thank you very much for watching, and bye!